Hi guys, it's day 10. Yay! I've come back from the dead. Ooh, day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 was just the worst. I only came out from day 9. She wants to say day 8, but day 9. What? I came out day 9. I resurrected day 9. I didn't shoot any videos because it was just like, I didn't even attend class the way I was just so dead. Yeah, I even contracted flu, I think. No?
Doesn't feel.
Oh, okay. Well, that means I still haven't recovered yet. But I'm functioning. Um, I think it was day 5 was just so bad. I couldn't read. Like, I'm serious. I don't know if you guys will believe me. Will you believe me? Well, it's not only what happened to you.
There was this night when I went to sleep and I thought she wouldn't survive the night.
I wrote my will. I'm joking. I barely own anything. I mean,
This good will. um,
yeah, okay. So,
Sokuseni ukuthi
no, we're
manje-ke
busy. Thanks for the
Uthi
summons.
you are rich, I
Yeah, thanks for
look,
the
Ben, Ghana a poor person does Ben, umdala njani? 31 years of age. Ngihlala bengitshela laba. Babhizi laba benzabo no gluten free what ukuthi they don't have problems in life, and I'm not saying this in a bad way. Problems like you don't have it's good. So the next time when I feel sorry for your life too much, no, there's an okay sorry kind of way about. There's an okay one. I've done bad. I'm not done with my assignments. That's okay. But leyo ukuthi umhlaba manje uyangiphelela. Hayi. Kube kanti record. Hayi. Afford ukuthi ningadli gluten while 99% of black people babhizi nama-crap nezifo abangazazi because of gluten. But abazi because that's the main meal. That's the main staple. That's the main thing. Uthi I'm not done talking.
oh my goodness.
Now I see myself.
Sizoyenza
Awu.
ibabizana.
Nomhlo wami wenza amazinyo aba straight wabhadala malini? How much did you pay for your teeth?
What's a dentist? Yeah, sensitive. Oh, what else can I do? You can also do this. Let's do it.
How much did you
What
pay?
else can I do?
How much did you pay?
No, I don't know.
No, just estimate.
I don't know.
Estimate.
I have no idea.
She was young. She wasn't the one. She was just.
Who took you there?
I took myself.
How young were you?
I was like maybe 12.
I Matilda.
I know.
You had a blesser then. Who was blessing with the money then?
My parents.
Oh.
We don't remember where we were because,
Started giving us a lecture.
yeah. Anyways, so she was terribly sick. There was one night when I was really worried. I thought that we were going to take her to the hospital. But here she is. She survived.
Yes. Which led me to the conclusion that do not in your life decide to remove gluten, sugar, and dairy all at the same time.
I did it successfully.
Well, yes, because gluten doesn't like her. Her body doesn't like gluten.
If gluten doesn't like me, probably doesn't like her too, because she's my sister.
She's part of the 70%. I'm part of the 30.
No, she's part of the 70.
Says who?
The way that she had withdrawal symptoms is a sign to me.
That it was sugar and dairy
and gluten.
I
So she's decided to go back to gluten.
Yes,
But then for me, the thing is, there is no thing, well, very few things that do not have gluten, that have gluten that do not have sugar or dairy.
Yeah. But yeah, it's day 10 and it's going great. My skin is like loving it. How's your skin? Is your skin loving
My skin is absolutely. Every time my mom sees me, she's like, "You look glorious."
Yes, girl.
It's still gluten free.
Yeah, today I was planning to start tomorrow, day 11, just go back to bread. I don't like gluten free bread. And the thought of having, I love pasta. And I was just thinking, pasta.
There's gluten free pasta.
I haven't tasted it though. Maybe we should make it, ne? Yeah, with like pasta napolitana. That would be nice.
Yeah, I'm trying to abstain from all grains though.
I eat white rice.
I don't.
Yes, because why don't you eat rice? Doesn't have gluten.
Yeah, but I decided that the proteins in rice have a very similar structure to gluten, so what my goal, it might not really get there.
Okay, well, yeah.
Yeah, that's our 10 days update.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do drink water. Oh, my appetite disappeared.
She wasn't drinking water. I was drinking water. She wasn't drinking water.
I tried to drink half a glass of water every day. It's very difficult this week, especially because on day, was it day 5? Day 5 was just, I was flat. I was just like, it's like, it's time to eat. I'm not hungry. It's like, eat. I'm not hungry. I wasn't hungry.
But also, generally, she's very scared of food.
I love food.
No, she doesn't.
That has sugar.
Just generally.
Yeah. I eat when I see someone who's eating.
Yeah, she only eats when she sees someone eating.
Because it's just like, oh, you're eating and you also eat.
My cousin says that she's always in a state of ketosis.
No, that's extreme.
That is true.
No, it's just making food it's exhausting.
What did I say?
If one of the meal planning people who have like food ready in fridge and they just take it out and heat it, I would probably love that idea.
And then so why don't you do it?
Because cooking takes a lot of time.
She doesn't love food.
I almost had raw mushroom yesterday because I was just like, it looks heated enough. But then I set a timer I set a timer so that I don't eat half cooked mushroom.
I know people who love food.
And it's me. Yeah. Anyways, I started reading about skin and sugar and dairy. So I'm thinking of making this sugar thing permanent.
That's a big commitment.
Yeah, actually, yeah, it's permanent is a bit extreme. Maybe reducing my sugar consumption and dairy consumption because those two independently have an effect on your skin, affecting, anti-aging, yeah, and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm scared of wrinkles, so I'll find a way to be healthier. You got any other stuff that you learned this week?
No, we'll check you out day 20.
Day 20 it is.